One thing I like to do is a weekly walk around, and I suggest everybody do this because it's very, very important. I usually walk around and check all 4 tires to make sure the tread depths are good, and then I'll also check tire pressure. It's very simple to check tire pressure. You see that one there is close enough to specification. It's only off by a pound because it got cold outside. So there's that. The other thing I like to do is also look at my lights. Okay, it's very important you check all your lights, tail lights, signals, everything. So come on to the back here and we'll see. So press the brake for me. So you see all of them are working. Okay, foot off the brake, do a left signal, right signal, lights. Okay, now always when you're checking lights, make sure these license plate lights work, because that's very important. And if you have somebody in the vehicle and they have the key on, always ask for one last thing, and that's reverse lights. Let's check those reverse lights, please. Perfect. So you can see everything's working, so that's a great sign. Now, this is good once a week because bulbs can burn out the next day. Okay, so it's very, very important. So we'll head up here to the front and we'll do the same thing. Let's do the low beams. See, it's got fog lights down at the bottom. High beams. Keep the high beams on for me. Now, did you see that? The fog lights went out. That's the law. That's the way it should be. High beams off. Let's do the left front signal. Right front signal. Okay, so all the lights are working on this vehicle. Now, a lot of vehicles will have in their mirrors signal lights. So pay attention to that too at the same time. Would you mind popping up the hood for me? The last check should be all your levels that you can actually see. So I like to check my engine oil, it's very important. Power steering fluid, very important. I look at my battery terminals to make sure they're all clean. My engine coolant to make sure that it's in between the full mark and the midway mark. And of course, my windshield washer fluid. Check all that, make sure everything's good. Start off your week fine. And remember to subscribe and enjoy your ride and drive.